Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shankar De. In this session, I am going to talk about INI CET November 2021 exam updates, important dates. So let's start our discussion. So All India Institute of Medical Sciences, New Delhi has already released their notice about INI CET exam 2021. So what is the date of exam for INI CET exam November session? The exam date is 14th November. So the exam will be on 14 November 2021. So AIMS Delhi is going to take INI CET exam for November session on 14th November 2021. So mark this date. This is the final date for November session INI CET exam. So this is the final date for INICET November session till now. So what will be the examination timing for this INICET session? The examination will start from 9 a.m. So examination will start from 9 a.m. and it will be of 3 hours exam. So the examination will end on 12 noon. So the examination is of 3 hours from 9 a.m. to 12 noon. And what about the centers? It will held in all the cities all over India. So examination center includes cities all over India. So the final date of examination for INI CET is 14 November. Mark this date. And timing is 9 a.m. to 12 noon. And centers include cities all over India. So this is the notice which the AIMS Delhi has been published in their official website yesterday. So please follow the notice. I am going to discuss the important dates in the notice thoroughly. So please follow. So these are the important dates about INI CET exam for admission in January 2022 sessions. So first thing what you have to do, online registrations for applications. Those who are fresh candidates, please do your basic registration first. So first thing is registration and basic information. Registration and basic information, the starting date is 10th. So from 10th September to 9th October. So closing date is 9 October. The online basic registration is starting from 10th September 5 p.m. It will close on 9th October by 5 p.m. So those who have already applied and whose basic registration is accepted. So for like January 2019, January 2000, July 19, January 2020, July 20, January 21 and July 21 are not required. So are not required to complete the registration and basic information again. So this basic registration is only for the fresh candidates. So this basic registration is only for the fresh candidates who have not appeared for the initiate exam before. So they will have to complete the application and those who have already applied or whose basic registration is done is not required to complete the basic registration again. They just have to complete the application form only after generation of EUC or examination unique code. So dates of editing of registration of basic information. So first thing is registration and basic information from 10th September to 9th October, and editing is also available in the website from 10th September to 9th October. Then you can check the status of registration and basic information, and last date of correction of rejected images like your thumb impression images, left thumb impression image, like your signature image or your passport size photo image. So last date for correction of those images uh, are starting from 11/10 or 11th October to 13th October. So this is the date for correction of rejected images and you will also get to know about the status of registration and final status for accepted registration and basic information you will get to know by 14th. So by 14th October you will come to know about the final status. So these 3 days marks these 3 dates. This is date for basic registrations, and this is the date for correction of images and status of registration checking, and this is the date 14th October is the date for knowing final status of accepted registration and basic information. Next important dates after completion of basic registration, and you have to complete the further process of applications like uploading AIMS. OMC is going to upload the prospectus including eligibility criteria along with seat position, and on 28th, so on 28th the AIMS is going to, so I think on 28th September AIMS is going to upload the prospectus along with seat position. Next thing, after completion of final basic registration, you have what you have to do, you have to generate examination code. So this thing is important. After generation of examination code, you have to complete the examine application form like part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5, and editing of registration and basic information and completion application form is also will be also available for these dates like from 28th September to 18th October. So mark this date. From these, in between this date you can generate examination unique code, you can complete the applications form, along with you can also edit the registration information, and you can also complete the application form. Then you have to also upload the valid certificates like your caste certificate, SC, ST, OBC, EW, economically weak section certificate, or physically physical disability certificates. You can also upload in between these dates from 20th September to 18th, and dates of valid EWS certificates must be for financial year 2020 to 2021 issued on or after 1st April. So, and date of valid OBC certificate is also not be earlier than 1 year for last date of submission of final online registration, which is 18th October. So the OBC certificate also should be issued between 17 to 18 October, both dates including. So next important dates after completion application form, you have to check the final status of applications form, and last date of required submission of required documents is 25th October to 29th October. Next, final status of online registrations and uploading of admit card. So admit card will be available probably on 8th November, Monday, and date of examination as I told you before is Sunday 14th November 2021. Timing is 9 a.m. to 12 noon. Examination center includes cities all over the India, and please read the important part and correction and edit of registration and note part from the AIMS website. So let's discuss the marking pattern. That this examination is going to be a single correct answer, single best correct answer MCQ type, single best correct answer, not multiple correct answer type, single best correct answer MCQ type. The examination will be of single best correct answer MCQ type exam. The examination will be of total 200 marks. So total marks is 200 marks. For each correct response you will get 1 mark. So 1 marks for each correct response, and for each negative response you will get 1/3 marks. For this is negative marking, and no marks for no marks for inattempted question. So this is for correct response, this is for negative response, this is for negative response, and this is for no response. Okay, so this is the marking pattern. The examination will be if for 3 hours, 3 hours exam, or 180 minutes. So total 200 question for 3 hours or 180 minutes. So this is the updates about the marking pattern, timing, and important updates. And last thing, the institutions which are covered under INICT 2021 for admission into January 2022 session. So this November session is for admission into January 2022 session in institutes which are covered under this INICT or Institute of National Importance Combined Entrance Test. So this is the full form for INICT. So which are the centers or institutes which uh, has been covered under this examination? One is first of all AIMS New Delhi, next other AIMS like AIMS Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, AIMS Jodhpur, AIMS Nagpur, AIMS Patna, AIMS Raipur, and AIMS Rishikesh, along with Jipmar Puducherry, NIMHANS Bengaluru, PGI Chandigarh, and Sri Chitra Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute of Medical Science and Technology, Kerala. So these are the institute: AIMS New Delhi along with other AIMS Jipmar, Pondicherry, NIMHANS Bengaluru, PGI Chandigarh, and C Chitra Tribunal Institute for Medical Science and Technology. So these are the institute which has been covered under this examination. So I have discussed about the important dates of this NEET INICET examination November session. So please comment in the comment section and about your queries about INICET. So please comment about your queries in the comment section about INICET exam November session 2021 for admission into January 2022 session. So I will answer you all of your doubts and queries in my further videos. So please do comment in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel Dr. Shankarve for further queries and for further related things related to NEET INICET exam. So thank you very much. I will come up with another video in very short time. So thank you very much.